Starry night, paint your palette blue and gray. Look out on a summer's day with eyes that know the darkness in my soul. Shadows on the hills, sketch the trees and the daffodils, catch the breeze and the winter chills in colors on the snowy linen land. Now I understand what you try to say to me, and how you suffered for your sanity, and how you tried to set them free. They will not listen, they did not know how. Perhaps they listen now. Starry, starry night, flaming flowers that brightly blaze, swirling cloud, violet haze, reflecting Vincent's eyes of china blue, colors changing hue, morning fields of amber gray, weather's face is lined in pain. I stood beneath artist's loving hand. Now I understand what you tried to say to me, and how you've suffered for your sanity, and how you tried to set them free. They will not listen, they did not know how. Perhaps they listen now, for they could not love you, but still your love was true. And when the heart was left inside on that starry, starry night, you took your life as lovers often do. But I could have told you, Vincent, this world was never meant for one as beautiful as you. Starry, starry night, portrait hung in empty halls, flameless as a nameless world, with eyes that watch the world and can't forget, like the strangers that you met. The ragged man in ragged clothes, the silver thorn, a bloody road, lie crossed and broken on the virgin snow. Now I think I know what you tried to say to me, and how you suffered for your sanity, and how you tried to set them free. They will not listen, they're not listening still. Perhaps they never will.
빈센트, 오늘 창근 씨의 라이브로 들었습니다. 진짜 귀가 녹는 것 같은 느낌인데, 그런 얘기를 지금